The mystery of creation. A deep analysis from a scientific and spiritual perspective. The mystery of the creation of the universe and the origin of the universe has fascinated the human mind since ages. The deep knowledge on this subject in our scriptures is not only important from the spiritual point of view, but also has wonderful explanations from the scientific point of view. To understand this entire subject in a simple, accessible, and authentic way, we have to test the teachings of the Vedas, Upanishads, and Puranas on the touchstone of modern science. The mystery of God and Maya. The Lord Himself is eternal, limitless, and beyond Maya. He is beyond any type of gunas. He neither gets bound in sattva guna, nor in raju guna, nor in tamo guna. Yet the Lord accepts these three gunas of Maya, sattva, raja, tama, for the creation, sustenance, and destruction of the universe. It is this Maya that causes the diversity in the universe and the origin of the material world. Modern science also accepts this theory that the universe is created by the balance of some fundamental forces. Concepts like dark matter and dark energy in physics also indicate that some invisible force is managing this entire universe. The origin of the Mahat-tattva and the ego. When God expressed His desire to become one from many, His Maya accepted time, karma, and nature. This desire awakened the seed of creation. This power of God gave rise to the Mahat-tattva, which is considered to be the root cause of the universe. This is the same state which modern scientists call singularity, the point from which the Big Bang occurred and the entire universe spread. When sattva and rajaguna increased in Mahat-tattva, from this, disorders in the form of knowledge, action, and tamaguna dominated material appeared. This disorder is called ahankar, which gets divided into three parts. Vikrik ahankar. It is the symbol of knowledge power. Taijasa ego. It symbolizes the power of action. Tamas ego. It symbolizes material power. Origin of Panchmahabhutas and their properties. The 5 elements are born from the tamasic ego. This sequence is very scientific and logical. Space. First of all, the sky was created. Its basic quality is word. In modern science, it is known as space-time. Air. When there was a disturbance in the sky, air was created, whose quality is touch. It is a symbol of motion and energy. Agni, fire, Agni Tej, originated from the disorder of air. Its quality is form. Modern science sees it as plasma and energy. Jal, water originated from the disorder of Agni. Its quality is rasa. Water is the basis of life, and science also considers it essential for every living being. Earth originated from the disorder of water, whose quality is smell. Earth is a symbol of solid elements and permanence. We also see this sequence in modern science, where physical elements also originate in the same order: space, gas, energy, liquid, and solid. Origin of senses and mind. From the Vikarika ego arose the mind and the gods who possess the 10 senses, the directions, the air, the sun, Varuna, Ashwini, Kamara, Agni, Indra, Vishnu, Mitra, and Prajapati. From the Taijasa ego appeared the senses of perception, ears, skin, eyes, tongue, and nose, and the senses of action, speech, hands, feet, anus, and genitals. From this also arose the intellect, knowledge power, and the life force, action power. Modern neuroscience also accepts this process that our body and senses work on the signals of the brain. In Indian philosophy, these signals have been defined as subtle bodies, a confluence of spiritual and scientific perspectives. If we look at this whole process carefully, we find amazing similarities between Indian scriptures and modern science. The origin of the universe, the Mahat-tattva, the creation of the Panchmahabhuta, and the senses. All this is based on the balance of physical and subtle energy. Therefore, this amazing mystery of creation is not only related to physical elements, but there is a divine consciousness and power working behind it. This is the Supreme Being. who is not visible to ordinary eyes because he is wrapped in the veil of Maya. The path of enlightenment and devotion. To understand this mystery, we should not only depend on logic and science, but also awaken the consciousness within us. When we try to know our true nature by removing the veil of Maya, only then we get the real vision of God. This is the highest path of self-knowledge and devotion. This mystery of creation teaches us that the universe is not made up of only physical elements, but there is a divine power working behind it. This power not only creates the universe, but also keeps it stable, and when the time comes, it also dissolves it. Deep contemplation and meditation on this subject helps us understand the relationship between the soul, the Supreme Being, and the universe. This knowledge leads us to balance, peace, and ultimate happiness in life.